Hi there, this is Kristie, and in this video I want to show you a very interesting niche that has been personally profitable for me, and it's the printables niche. And you may not even know what a printable is, but it's anything that's a digital download that you can download on your computer and print it out. That's all it is. And you know, if you have an iPad, you don't even have to print it out. You can just use it from your iPad, because these are digital downloads. So they are quite popular, really popular, especially on Pinterest. So when I found that out, I decided to sell printables, because I really did not know it was a thing, but it's a huge market, absolutely huge. And you may just like printables. You may have clicked on this video because you don't want to sell them, you just want to download them. Well, I have a wonderful thing to talk about today. I wanted to show you, I actually have a printables club, and in the club, you know, I have not only printables and planners every single month, but I have marketing materials already done for you. So if you decide that you want to sell them as is, because they come as PDF downloads, every month I go in and I create 10 Canva video templates for Pinterest, and then I resize 10 video Canva templates for Instagram. So you get 5 printables or planners every month. They're different every month. And then you also get the marketing materials that go with it, the videos, the Canva templates. So again, the printables are as is PDFs. You have PLR rights. You have the rights to resell them, do anything you want to with them. And if you want to sell them, then you will have, it'll be a piece of cake for you, because it also comes with the videos to match. Okay, and actually we're up to, of the time I'm making this video, we're up to 20 months, way past 12 months. We're up to 20 months of printables, planners, and the marketing materials to go with it. The price you see here is subject to change. So it'd be great if you want to get in at the lowest price right now, and that's monthly. So it comes with like winter dashboards, and then it's all year round. Fall printables, and the done for you Pinterest pins, and the done for you Canva Instagram pins as well. So, and I even added music to it. But I'm not going to play it here on YouTube. But it is so cool. People are loving it. I have some people who've been in from the day one, and because they just like printables and planners. And again, you don't have to sell them if you don't want to. I actually put them on a Shopify store, and you can see my net profit here, minus paying for Shopify every month. So you could also do a stand storefront. You could do a Gumroad. You know, you can sell these online however you want to, because you have the resale rights, which is super cool, right? You have the resale rights to sell them as is. Again, they're flattened PDFs, and the video pins are in Canva for Pinterest and Instagram, which are two of my favorite places. And again, just to give you an idea of what there is, vitamin cheat sheet printable, and I mean, super cute, right? So if we go into the members area, I wanted to show you inside. The club started back in June 2022, and I have just gone from there. So I mean, there's so much in here. It's like 20 months worth as of right now. Again, you know, this changes every month, because you get all of these downloads. You can cancel anytime. And, you know, these are some of my favorites. The $5,000 savings challenge, The PLR save $456 in 30 days. And then you have time trackers. Aren't these cute? PLR monthly. And these are all PLR. Everything is PLR, meaning you can resell it. And then every month you get done for you actually, Pinterest pins. And as of June 2023, I added in every month you now get Pinterest plus Instagram Canva templates. Okay, so and then let's look at September. The fall, I think the fall and the Christmas ones I think are my favorite actually. They're so fun. This is PLR Fall Scripture Journal. And then because I just couldn't help myself, I just sometimes add in more than 5. Again, you could just download these for yourself. This is called the Busy Mom Collection. Just giving you like a sneak peek. Fall Planner Girl. Master to-do list for the Fall Girl collection. Cute, huh? And again, as of right now, as of the day I'm making this video, there are 20 months worth. 20 months worth. Here's the health meal plan. Medical history. Therapy overview. All different kinds of printables that you can download for yourself, or again you can resell these as is because they come in flattened PDFs. And the Canva templates, you know, are for Instagram and Pinterest since June 2023. You can go in there and you can advertise anything. You don't even you can do a dual purpose and use the Canva templates and sell anything on that you're wanting to advertise on Pinterest or Instagram. You don't have to sell these. You can sell anything, but the pins are done for you, which is super cool. And you know, some of these are dated, so we'll skip to another month. You just disregard the ones that are dated. This is the daily tracker for March. Kitchen cleaning. And again, it goes through January 2024 as of the date of this video. But that gives you an idea of what's here. Super cool, right? Fall drink checklist, planner to do. Really, really cool. So anyway, if you'd like to join us, just click the link below the video. And God bless you. I hope you have a great year this year. Whenever you're watching this, and my email will be under the video, so if you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye now.